Good morning, students. In the previous period, we had completed the poem. Explanation of this poem. What is that poem? Poppy and Parrot. Okay. Now, here in that class, we are going to study our working with words in that poem, page number 85. Okay. Now, question number 1. How do they do it? See if you can match the following. Now, what here column number A, column number B. A dog, a horse, a yak, a tiger and robin. And that in that box carries a heavy burden, hops onto the branches, leaps over the fence, gallops along the road, rolls in the jungle. Okay, now which animals what they do? अब यहाँ पे जो animals है वो क्या करते हैं? A dog. What a dog is doing? Carries a heavy burden? No. Hops on the branches? No. Leaps over the fence? Yes. A dog leaps over the fence. Dog कूद सकता है fence के ऊपर से. Now, a horse. What the horse is doing? Now see here. Gallops along the road. Gallops यानी वो जो घोड़ा दौड़ता है कूदता है को गलब्स बोलते हैं. A yak, what is doing yak? Yak carries a heavy burden. yak जो होता है वो heavy चीज़ें उठाता है. Tiger rolls in the jungle, जंगल में वो घूमता है. And robin hops onto the branches. Okay. Now question number 2 is try to put these in order of size. अभी हम यहाँ पर चीज़ें दी हुई है, हमको उसको साइज के थ्रू लगाना है. यहाँ पे पैलेस, कॉटेज, कैसल एंड हाउस. विच वन इज सो स्मॉल? स्मॉल वन इज कॉटेज. कॉटेज इज सो स्मॉल. देन हाउस इज दैट. ओके, कॉटेज, हाउस, देन पैलेस, सॉरी, देन कैसल और पैलेस, और पैलेस और कैसल, एनीथिंग यू वांट, सेम थिंग इज दैट. Now question number B is baby, boy, giant and man. Now very small is very small is baby, then after baby boy, then after boy man, and then giant. Baby, boy, man and giant. Question number C, beetle, mosquito, frog and mouse. What is that? Mosquito is so small, mosquito, then after mosquito is beetle, and then frog, then mouse. Next question number D is eagle, robin, owl, ostrich. Now so small is robin, then owl, then eagle, then ostrich. Okay, the next question, add an apostrophe in the following only where one is needed. See, आपको यहाँ पे apostrophe लगानी है जहाँ पे one ही चीज़ हो. I can see the owls looking at me. Now see here, OWLS, owls means एक से ज़्यादा उल्लू जो होते हैं हम उसको बोलते हैं. And when we put the apostrophe, जब हम वहाँ पे apostrophe लगा देंगे तो वो क्या होगा? Only one हो जाएगा. I can see the owls looking at me. Now the next one is let's see if he lets us in. Now let's see. Let's is the a word which is we are adding apostrophe s. Here is the short form of let us see. Okay, now see, let us see, that is the short form of let. If he lets us in, here is also a let's, but we don't put apostrophe on this word. He signed the letter. Yours truly. He signed. He is signed. Yeah, he has signed. He signed. We add apostrophe with the he's. Okay, now see, he signed the letter. Yours truly. He has signed. Yours? No, we don't know. We don't add yours because this is a verb. Next, It's not standing up, it's on its side. It's not. It's, we add apostrophe with the it's, not standing up. It's on its side. It's also, we add apostrophe in that word, on its side. Okay, now see here. It is. See, it's the full form of it is. Okay, not standing, here is also. Its size, we don't add s. That hat's not hers, it's yours. That hat's, apostrophe s we add with the hats, not hers. Okay, and it's yours. अब ये जो है आपकी है. It's, we add apostrophe with the it's. Now see, hats, hat is. Okay, now the next question is learning about language. Question number 1. Change the adjectives. Here adjectives are given in the bracket and we change it with the adverb. Change to the adverb. She opened the door and smiled. Dash at me. Brightly. How many times I told you that when we write down the adverb, we add only ly with the adjective. I went in. Swift का क्या हो जाएगा? Swiftly and sat down. She dash opened the cupboard. Cautiously. She spoke to me. Sweetly. Then she dash gave me a bowl of rice. Generously. Okay, students. Now next page, turn the page. Change the following sentence into question. Now see here, question number 3. Question number A is, you will come with me. We change the sentence into a question. अब आपको question बनाना है. And how many times I told you? Will, are, can. These are the helping verbs. When you make the question, you write down the first helping verb. Will you come with me? Question mark. Are you going early? Question mark. Can horses also talk? Question mark. Now listening and speaking. Find rhyming words in the poem for the following. Here we find rhyming words with these words, rhyming words in that poem. Walking, talking, said bread, hay today, oats, coats, play, day. Now here also, can you think of words that rhymes with the following? अब आपको क्या करना है? एक वर्ड के बहुत सारे rhyming words बनाने हैं. Do, night, snow, round, long, fat, stitch, brick, flock, hay, key, mate, loop, sick, soap and yak. Okay, I send you that rhyming words. Okay, मैं आपको इनके rhyming words भेज दूँगी, आपको लिख लेना. Okay, student. Now this lesson is over, and from tomorrow we are doing the grammar portion. Okay, thank you.